So you have to read this. There may be someone's microphone still turned on. It may be you
Sorry,
sharp.
sir.
Turned it off. So only this page you have to read from your book. Okay,
Only the first page.
only the first page. It is very small and very easy too. No math, nothing. Every question will be from this chapter will be come from this page. There are 4 chapters. Which 4 chapters I am talking about? Total internal reflection, lenses 1, lenses 2, and electromagnetic waves. From this 4 chapter, only 2 are major. Those 2 are total internal reflection and lenses 1. And rest 2 chapters are very small. We just have covered 2 topics from lenses 2. And from electromagnetic wave, we need to learn just this page. That's all. Okay. So what do you mean by electromagnetic wave? Electromagnetic wave means those wave which have a component of electric energy and magnetic energy. Okay, there are many different types of waves, such as the wave which is produced in the surface of water when you throw something in water, the wave which is producing by talking. When you talk, sound wave is produced. There are this type of many waves around us, and one type is this electromagnetic wave. This is a very special type wave which have both electric part and magnetic part. Okay, electromagnetic waves around us are commonly referred to radio wave. There are 5 different types of radio wave in your book, but I am seeing only 3 here: long wave, short wave, and microwave. So the microwave oven in your house or in your kitchen use radio wave, which is actually an electromagnetic wave. Okay, infrared. Infrared is also called IR, which is mainly used in remote sensing devices. Remote sensing devices means inside your TV remote. Or infrared is also being used in CCTV camera.
Sir, can you explain this again?
Well, infrared ray or infrared wave. Okay, this is also a electromagnetic wave. This electromagnetic wave is used in remote sensing devices. Now, what is remote sensing devices? Remote sensing devices means the remote set of your television. Okay, any remote use a very small bulb or light bulb. Have you ever seen that? There is a
Sir.
small light bulb in your
Yes,
remote
sir. At the top of it.
at the top of it. That small light bulb can produce infrared ray. We cannot see radio wave. We cannot see infrared wave because this type of wave doesn't have enough energy. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
like if we use a camera, we can see the infrared, right?
Yes, if we see a camera, we can see the infrared ray. Infrared ray is also called IR in short, infrared. There are 2 different parts in this word infrared. One is infra and another one is red. Infra means less and red means red. Infrared in English means less red.
Sir, infrared red is can be found in mobile.
No, it is not found in mobile. In some
Sir,
Sir,
can you
mobile,
read
I saw like
page
sir.
167?
page 100. Yes. Someone is asking anything?
Sir, I saw like an infrared ray module, something like that. Infrared
Yes.
module, that thing.
Yes,
Or
these things are in 167, only the figure part. I'm discussing all thing here. But you need to read the 166 page only, nothing else.
Sir, I have a
And you
question.
need
Sir, we will
to
not
read my...
read.
Yes, Bujini?
Sir, we will not read page number 167.
If you want, you can read. These things in my slide right now you are seeing is from 167 page. Okay. This page is nothing but the figures. Another electromagnetic wave we are encountering is light. Now, what is light? Light is that portion of electromagnetic ray which is visible to us. Only we can see the light, or only the light can be seen by us. Okay, we cannot see radio wave, we cannot see infrared, but we can see light because the energy of light is just perfect for our eye to see or sense. There are 7 different colors of light: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, indigo.
Sir, but in a physics books, I learned that there are not only seven but many more
yes, sir. Like there is a
in the
there is
prism.
a range of colors,
It's a range of colors.
Well,
but there are six colors.
there are actually 3 colors. Okay,
Only
three
three.
light, only 3, and the others can be made up by different proportion of these 3: red,
These are the primary
green,
colors.
RG, red, green, yellow. These 3 colors are fundamental or element color. You can create any color using different proportion of these 3 color.
Can you
But
repeat the three colors names again?
R red, G green, and last letter Y yellow. Sorry, RGB, sorry.
Yes,
Red,
sir.
green,
Sir,
blue,
এটা
red,
শুনছি
green, blue.
RGB keyboard এরকম
Yeah,
থাকে না?
red, green, blue. Well,
Sir,
Sir,
yes.
it should be red, yellow, blue.
No, red, green, blue. RGB. Yes.
RGB.
sir, at the end
Sir,
of the
what is
slide, can you?
RGB?
One by one, one by one.
So what are we studying?
I was discussing about light. Okay, light is the someone please turn your microphone down, it's very much disturbing for me. I was talking about electromagnetic wave. I have started from radio wave, which is way less powerful. Then I have discussed about infrared ray. Then I am discussing about light. Light is the electromagnetic wave which we can see. There are 7 different colors I am talking about, which are in white light, which are in sunlight. Okay, now someone just tell me there are way range of colors. Yes, there can be way range of colors, it is possible, but there are originally 3 different colors which are fundamental: red, green, blue. These 3 color you can create all other colors by mixing red, green, blue. I was talking about this. You don't need all these things because we are keeping our lesson too much simple here. The light which is powerful, or the electromagnetic wave which is powerful than light, is called ultraviolet. We cannot even see this, but it is around us. It is coming from sun. It is very much powerful. It can damage our eye. Even it can produce skin cancer. The light the sorry the electromagnetic wave which is far more powerful than light and more powerful than ultraviolet ray is X-ray. X-ray is so much powerful that it can travel through our flesh, but hindered by our bones. It is so powerful. Generally, we don't have found X-ray in our daily light around us. We can have ultraviolet light in sunlight, but do not find any X-ray in sunlight around
Sir,
us in our environment. Yes.
sir, we can find X-ray in like those monitors, cathode ray tube monitors.
CRT monitors, those big size TV,
Yes, sir.
which are older TV,
I
from
have a CRT
those,
TV.
yes, from those, a little portion of X-ray is produced. That's why previously doctors suggest everyone to maintain a distance from those big giant TV. The last in our list is the gamma ray. Gamma ray is the most powerful electromagnetic wave we are having here. Okay, it is so powerful that it is many more powerful, or many much powerful than the X-ray here. It can penetrate through our flesh as well as through our bones.
So it had a chapter Shilu.
Yes, sir. It is
Yes.
produced like we read the beta waves, alpha waves, and gamma rays, like those
Oh,
things.
you were talking about the chapter of
11.
radioactivity.
Yes, sir. The
Radioactivity, I
nuclear
guess.
fission and those things.
So, all these things are collectively electromagnetic wave. The less powered electromagnetic wave is the radio wave. Infrared wave is a bit stronger. Light is another bit stronger. Then we have ultraviolet light, X-ray light, and gamma rays. So the
Sir, I have
energy is increasing as we go down. Okay, the energy is increasing as we are going down.
sir,
Radio wave is way less powerful. It is, we are nowadays listening to FM radios, isn't it?
no
Yes,
man, no
sir.
sir. We don't
FM
listen.
radio is the short wave. Previously there were big sized radio. I don't know, have you ever seen those
I
big
saw.
sized radio? Well, I just saw once. Those radio use long wave or AM wave. Okay, those waves are AM wave. Now we are using FM wave, and microwave is used in our kitchen
So phone একটা
inside
app
the
আছে FM radio.
microwave oven. Yeah, phone একটা app আছে FM radio, but it is not app based. The wave is not producing from your app, rather it is being produced by different hardware. There are different oscillators which can
Yes, sir.
produce radio wave. Now, a bit stronger electromagnetic wave than the radio wave is infrared. Infrared is stronger than radio wave but less stronger than light. We even cannot see it. We just can see the light portion, the seven colors or different colors, because those have the perfect energy which our eye can sense. Our eye cannot sense more energy of this ultraviolet ray, X-ray, gamma ray. Even our eye cannot sense less energy like infrared ray, radio wave. Our eye just can sense the light wave because it has the perfect range of energy. Inside this small region, there are seven different colors. There are way more color possible. Anyway, from radio wave to gamma rays are collectively called electromagnetic spectrum. This whole family of electromagnetic wave is called electromagnetic spectrum. You can find the definition of electromagnetic spectrum from your book 166 page. 166 page, the second paragraph. This thing is discussing about electromagnetic spectrum. The very easy definition of it: the total family of electromagnetic wave I have just shown here is called the electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, the family of electromagnetic rays are called electromagnetic spectrum. This is that easy. Now we are going to discuss about our last slide, which is the properties of electromagnetic wave. The first property is they can travel through vacuum. This means they do not need any medium
Medium.
to travel. They can flow through
Empty
vacuum.
space.
Okay, our second point is just saying that. The third point is in vacuum they can have the speed of light. As I said earlier, light is what? Light is a member of electromagnetic spectrum. Light is an electromagnetic wave, and we know from our earlier lesson that light has their maximum speed in vacuum, which is 300,000 kilometer per second. All electromagnetic wave can flow through vacuum, and when they are flowing through the vacuum they can have this speed. A radio wave can flow with this speed, and gamma ray also uh, travel with this speed. In vacuum they can all achieve this speed, they can all travel with this speed. Okay, we are not discussing their energies, their wavelengths. They can have this maximum same speed when they are traveling through vacuum. Is it clear to you? All of
Yes,
them
sir.
can, all of them can achieve this speed, all of them. A red light can have this speed, even yellow light also can have this speed in vacuum. Radio wave can have this speed, which is the least powerful ray in our list. And gamma ray also can have this speed, which is the maximum powerful ray in our list. Is it clear to
Sir,
everyone? Yes.
X-ray checks are harmful for our body. Like sometimes the doctors use X-ray to check our body. That means those are harmful.
Yes. X-ray, ultraviolet ray, gamma ray, even the normal violet ray are very much harmful for us if we expose ourselves for a long time. Okay? If we expose ourselves for a very long time. Because
Sir,
those
what is laser made of?
laser made of different components, they can produce
No,
very
sir, what
powerful
kind of
light.
electromagnetic ray it uses?
Well, laser generally produce visible range lights. That means from red to violet they can produce that. But there is another type of laser which can produce microwave, that is actually called maser.
Sir, I heard about it, Maser.
Maser is used for the detection of different objects like the jet plane, like the aeroplane, etc.
Sir, a diamond is used to produce it.
I don't know that.
So nuclear bomb.
So
Nuclear
question
bomb.
will come from the book.
Yes, question will come from book and this slide. Nuclear bomb is not associated with electromagnetic wave for now. Well,
It
properties
means
of
we are dead.
Sir,
sorry.
when a nuclear bomb blasts, it releases gamma rays.
Yes,
Yes,
it
sir.
releases gamma rays. That gamma ray is coming from inside its nucleus. We are not
Sir,
making our this lesson very much difficult. That's why I am ignoring those aspects. Yes.
Sir, like before the Google Classroom started, like in officially from class 6, like
Mm-hmm.
there was a personal class for of yours. Sir, like
Yes.
you said to study that 11th chapter.
But later that 11th chapter is thrown up by our authority, so
So
I
I
am not
actually studied a bit of it, so I
Yes,
kind
sir,
of
I also
recognize.
studied.
very good that you have studied. Now let me finish this slide. I don't need much time, 1 or 2 minutes maximum. The properties of electromagnetic wave we are discussing. The property now we are discussing about that it can transfer energy. From our wave chapter, we have learned that every kind of wave can transfer energy. Electromagnetic wave is also a type of wave. It also carry energy. Which energy or which type of energy does it carry? It carry electromagnetic energy. So light which we can see is electromagnetic wave. Therefore, it is carrying which type of energy? Electromagnetic energy. The very final thing is it is transverse wave. We have learned there are two types of waves, transverse wave and longitudinal wave. Our electromagnetic wave is fall inside the category of transverse wave, which are like this. Okay, done. Hello students,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is
Yes,
all
sir.
we have. This is all we have for this chapter.
Sir, that means our class is ended.
Our classes ended, but if you want you can I can
We can do
discuss
problem
about,
Sir, I have a
solving.
question.
Math,
yes,
math.
your
want
So I
question.
want to do math.
Sir,